Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Microsoft Print to PDF is not working, then please watch this video. Now before anything else, just check your system for updates. So right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. Okay, this is the first solution. The next one is to restart the Print Spooler service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Microsoft Print Spooler service. Okay, so if you don't find it here, we'll just go to P because this is in alphabetical order. So we will find the Print Spooler service here. Right click on it and then select restart. The last solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.